All right, welcome back. We're doing Cad36 now. We're doing isometric drawings. Now, isometric is a drawing that is drawn in 2 dimensions but looks like it has 3 dimensions, okay? And I don't know, you can go through the chapter and do the two in there, but I'm going to show you, starting with the one at the end of the chapter, how these things work, okay? All right, it's really pretty simple. We're just going to open a new drawing, okay? And we're not worried about layers this time. We're just going to draw everything on the 0 layer because we're just doing isometric. So I'm going to just hit new, okay? And it's imperial. Dimensions are in inches for CAD36. So we'll hit OK. So we're going to come up here. We're going to have this. Now, I want to come down here to this area right here, okay? Right down here. You'll see, let me close this so it doesn't get in the way. You'll see that I'll hover over. It says isometric drafting off. You want to click on that and make it blue and see what it does to your cursor. Okay, I'm also going to turn on my drawing grid. There we go. So my grid's on and you got that. Now I'm going to change from Pac-Man to the ortho. Okay, and what that'll do is that'll keep my lines very straight. Now if you hit the F5 key, this is left, this is top, and this is right, and it'll tell you down here in the corner, okay? Watch that, watch this little corner when I hit the thing. I'll keep my cursor in to keep your eye. See? Isoplane left, isoplane top, isoplane right, okay? We're gonna start with the left isoplane, okay? And I'm just gonna draw this line. So it's a line, and we're gonna start, and the front of this thing is gonna be 2. So I'm gonna come down 2, then I'm gonna go this way. See how it's going at an angle? That one's gonna be 5.5. And then we're gonna go up 4, and then we're going to come back over 4.25 and go back to where we started. Okay? So there's that face. All right? It's got a circle here and a couple of circles there. So let's go ahead and locate those. All right? So I'm going to come up from here. We're going to go up 2.5. We're going to come over 1. Now I'm going to draw my circle. Now, since this is at an angle, we're going to use a different tool. We're not going to use the circle command. We're going to come over here, hit that arrow, and we're going to use axis end. All right? Now, when I come out here, I'm going to hit my right mouse button, and it's going to give me these options. I want ISO circle. Okay? So I'm going to pick that, and here we go. There's my center. Now, see how it looks like it belongs on that face? Right now, it is set for radius. If you come down to the bottom, you see that? Click on that. Now it's set for diameter. We have a diameter of 1 here. And there we go. Now I can erase that, and I can erase that, and we're done. All right, now do the same thing this way. We're going to come across this way, and this one's going to come over 3 and go up 1.5. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now hold down shift and pick this one. There we go, and then hit delete. That got rid of this line but kept this one. Now we're going to do another ISO circle, okay? So we're going to pick axis end, right click, ISO circle, pick that, diameter 2. Okay? Now I'm not going to do the one on the inside, and I'm going to go ahead and erase this. That's the only two I want to do. Now I'm going to hit F5 and change my isoplane. Okay? I'm going to draw one line over this way, 0.5. Now I'm going to grab that and I'm going to copy it. Start here, and then click here, and then click here, and then click here. So see, now I've got those lines. I'm going to grab this, 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 and this. That's the only ones I want, those 4. Copy. I'm going to pick the first parts of this line and then go to the second part of that line. Now, see how it's kind of looking at 3D, but this is goofy. So let's trim just this side off. And there's our look that we're looking for, okay? Now, it calls for a boss height. Okay, the boss height is this thing, okay? This is our boss. It's going to be a thickened piece of metal that a shaft or whatnot goes through, but it's going to go the opposite direction. It's going to come this way. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to grab the midpoint of this line and come out to there and hit escape. Now, there we go. Now we need to get a line across here and across there. So I'm going to zoom in on this area. I'm going to say line, quadrant, pick this arc, and then quadrant again and pick this side. See how that works? Now we're going to do the same thing on this one. Line, quadrant, pick the diamond, quadrant again, pick the diamond. Now I'm going to hit escape twice. I'm going to grab that line and grab this line, and then I'm going to say trim. Then I'm gonna pick between the two and hit escape. And there we go. Now I'm gonna change my F5, and then I'm gonna change F5 again. Now I'm grabbing this one. I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna pick the center point, and I'm gonna put it on the center point. And that is my finished product. That's CAD36. It's just that simple. Chapter 6 goes really quickly. You should be able to get these done pretty fast. And it's the same thing as far as printing. Of course, we got to save it, right? So save, CAD36. Go up here to plot. Make sure this is on monochrome. AutoCAD PDF, center to plot, and preview. And that's what you're turning in. Make sure you name it correctly, CAD36 model, and turn in your PDF to the classroom. And I'll see you in CAD37.